These are things we execute at lead mining, and we found over the last 2 years that these are the best questions you can ask. So here we go. I'm going to give them to you. Off the top of my head, you guys ready for this? Is there any general repairs needed on the property? How old is the roof? When was the last time the kitchens or the baths were updated? Is there currently a tenant in the property? What's your reason for selling? Is there currently a mortgage on the property? If so, how much is it? If not, are you open to owner financing at all? If we made an offer in the next 48 hours, how much would work for you? What kind of timeline are you looking to sell your property in? Is there maybe a better phone number for my partner to contact you on? Is there an email that works for you? And what's the best time for my partner to reach out to you? Okay, great. Looks like we got everything that we need. I'm going to get this over to my partner, and he's going to give you a call in the next 24 hours, and he's going to want to come out and see the house. Crushed it. All right, guys, that was 14 questions. All right. Now, that's what we ask, at least on every phone call that says that they want to sell or that they're a lead. This is really important to get all these questions out. Now, if you notice the order that they're asked in, the script I'm going to provide to you has them in that same order. We found at lead mining that order actually builds rapport as time goes on. We'll make sure that before we ask those hard questions about cash offers and what their timeline to sell is and what their mortgage is, we ask the easier questions first. It's also important during this phase to weave in as much rapport as humanly possible. You want to make sure that you're commenting whenever you can about a story that resonates with you, or you're reinforcing their story. It's crazy important to make sure that we get all the information we need. When you get these answers, you got to make sure you type them up clearly and that you can read them later on. This is going to be your key to making an offer and having that second phone call with the seller.